Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Sorry for the late posting of videos. I was very busy and I'll try to be consistently posting the videos. I'm so sorry. And one more thing, if anyone is looking for a training or if you want some videos on Microsoft Dynamics finance and operations especially, you can subscribe. And if you need trainings or a placement services or the assistance programs, you can contact me with the mobile number which I'm giving here, and you can WhatsApp me, not for the call, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, yeah, let's go into the video now. So today I'm going to tell you how you're going to take the backup of your project. Let's say you have done some work. Okay, so you have done some work, like you have created tables, forms, reports, entities, etc, etc. Now you wanted to take backup. Sometimes it may be lost, or sometimes you may unintentionally delete that any table or a form or etc, but you wanted to take the backup of it. So how we are going to take? So this is the project. Okay, that you're watching right now. Here it's a project. Right click on a project. Once you right click on this project, you'll be able to see here export project. So you need to click on export the project. Okay, so let's click on this export project, so that, like, I'll just give the file name. Let's say uh, test test1. Okay, now the project is exported, so finished exporting project. So let's say it is deleted. Okay, by mistake, by mistake it is deleted. So how you are going to take this again to your solution, right? So after exporting, again you can come here, Dynamics 365 menu, and here there is an import project, right? So click on this import project. After clicking on the import project, it is asking for the file name. You can give the file name, or you can click on this three dots where you can select the location. So it is whenever you are going to take the export. Okay, whenever you are exporting, that is going to save it as a axpp file. Okay, that is going to save it as a axpp file. Select this and click on open. After clicking on open, okay, see here you will be able to see whatever that you need. Let's say, see, I have only table here, so that's the reason. If you have many elements, you will be able to see here forms, etc, etc. Okay, okay, you can just click on, let's say if you wanted to override whatever that you have, so you can click on override. Okay, let's say if it is only deleted one, you can select whatever that you want only. See, let's say I have three tables, but you have deleted only one table, so you can select whatever the table that you want. You can unselect the two tables, which means that two tables are not deleted, right? So if you need everything, if you need everything, just overwrite. And if you wanted to open this project in current solution or a new solution, that's your wish. Okay, I wanted to open this project in current solution only. Just click on it and click on OK. That's it. You can take the export, which means backup, and you can again import that particular backup here this way. Okay, and that is going to store when you are exporting, that file is going to store as a axpp file. Okay, so that's it for today video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.